In this video, I'll show you how to create a signature in Outlook from your mobile. So we need to start by heading over to the Outlook application. Click on your profile icon in the top left-hand side, select Settings from the bottom left, and then select Signature. Then you just need to click on the signature box to bring up this editing page, and we're just going to delete the default signature that comes with Outlook. Now you can go ahead and design your signature, so you could start by typing in your name. If you want to do any formatting here, then you can just select the text like so, and then you can use the formatting tools at the bottom to use things like bold and italics. If you want to add an image to your signature, click on the plus image icon, and then you'll just need to select your image from the list that you want to add to your signature. To resize your image, select it like so and click on resize, and then from here you can just drag the edges of the screen to resize this. You can also add links to your signature by creating a blank space. Scroll across in the right hand navigation and click on the link icon. Select the text that you want to display for your link, so I could say website, and then just enter the URL of your website, and once you finish, press the tick icon. Once you've finished with your signature, click on the tick icon in the top right hand side. Then you can head back over to your email inbox and create a new email, and you can see this signature will automatically be applied every time we create and reply to a new email. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.